Okay. So coming to the Frintas management case study, students, as I told you, already we would have done the analysis in detail. So what are we going to do now is we are going to do the ratios movements, and we are going to ask ourselves why this has moved using the pre-seen data. Now, the first question I need to ask y'all is, don't get scared about the numbers. I will tell you the assumptions as well. So let's be very much concerned about how to get the application of this successfully. Okay, now coming here, students, the first thing is revenue growth. If you see YP Burns, revenue growth is 5.26 and Frinta's revenue growth is 6.36. Can you all tell me why do you think the revenue growth of our company is more than YP Burn? What do you think, students? What do you think? What is the major reason you are thinking, students? Coming to the case study. Malit, what is your understanding of that, Malit? What do you think? Any reasons you are thinking? Okay. Thank you, Mustaq. You have mentioned smart speakers. Any other thing, students, the correct answer for that movement? Why do you think there is a difference? You need to know the why. So anyone thinking, why do you think there is a difference? Anyone? Smart speaker is fine, but any other things? Yes. Yes, please. Any other things that you all like to say, you can let us know. So just be kind enough to tell me, why do you think there is a revenue growth? Basic idea, why do you think? Malit, any idea, Malit? Another segment controller. Okay. Okay. Frinta image as premium and user friendly company. Okay. Now, other than that, I can specifically say is the main reason there is a high level of revenue growth is because the product mix. Now, students, if you observe the product mix we have, is we have two categories. One is the smart speakers, okay, and the other one is what, students? The heating and ventilator controller. Heating and ventilator controller. So if you observe these two, we need to understand the sales mix generally shows a huge differences in the revenue growth. The sales mix plays a major role. The sales mix generally plays the major role here. So students, just get the understanding. The sales mix is the reason. The sales mix is the main reason I can specifically say that we are having a better growth compared with our competitor company, that is YP Burn. That is the basic idea there, students. Any questions you all have, you can ask me, but that is the basic idea at the moment. Any questions you have, you can ask me, students, but that is the basic idea at the moment. So students, before we move ahead, any other points you like to say on revenue growth? You can also say. Any other points, students? Malit, any other points? Malit, why are you not talking? Because it's very important if you are getting involved. Any other things, students, that you like to say? Things are missing, right? What about exports? Do we have exports, students? Yes or no? So can we write down here exports? We do have something called exports of, I can say, heat, or exports of products, because we have the export market as well, students. But if you see, YP Burn does not have the other end exportation market, for your understanding. Just keep that in mind, students. We don't, other company, they have not specified it. Okay, so any other point of view you can tell me, students? So I believe this is fine for you. This is fine for you at the moment. Just get the point of view. Anything that you like to say, you can let me know. And another thing I have is it's a premium market sector. I think Amrita told it's a premium market sector. So premium market sector, the classical idea is prices are generally high. Prices are high. So I can generally say, yeah, we may have sold less units at higher price. Thank you very much, Amrit. less units at higher price, less unit as higher price. Any other points you can think? This is brainstorming session, students. You need to be very specific. Brainstorming session, brainstorming session. Mustaq, anything that you like to say, Mustaq? On sales, it will be really appreciated if you can talk, students, because if you can talk, it will be more preferred.
Sorry, Nalim. I've got children in the background. So.
No problem. No problem. No problem. So I'll ask Amrit. Amrit, can you take over the moderation part, Amrit? Is it possible from your end?
Sir, I don't have any extra explanation with the revenue.
No revenue, right? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Any other point of view, students? Because just make sure that you are very strong with the application and the explanation, because this is very, very important for you to do the understanding. So just get the understanding. So this is the basic idea. So coming to the cost of sales, our cost of sales is generally higher compared with YP burn. I can specifically say the main reason is how many factories we have. We have 2 factories. What do you think? Yes or no, Amrit? Agree or not agree? 2 factories we have. So generally the cost of sales will be what? Higher, right? Generally will be higher. 2 factories we have will be higher. And another thing is the parts used in the products are generally high quality. Brass tubes in the products are high quality. That is the understanding. Are high quality. Parts used in the products are very high quality, premium quality. Thank you. So the parts are generally premium quality. For your understanding. Malit, are you there? Just asking from you, final time. Malit,
yes,
are you there? Yes. Can you please moderate, Malit? It will be easy. Okay, so we have 2 factories. So generally, if we have 2 factories, the prices will be very high. And again, if you see, the quality level of the products are also very high. And another thing that we need to identify is we have a dedicated what students? Research and development. But I can still stay for the scale, the operational scale what we have, I can say still we are fine. The scale means the size. Scale of operations wise, still I can say we are fine at the moment. I cannot say anything wrong here because I generally feel this is the main reason. And coming to the gross profit, students, the problem has started now. If you see, this company has a higher gross profit, but we do generally have a lower gross profit. So I can generally write down here. The conformance cost. Students, have you heard something called conformance cost, Malik? Conformance cost, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So conformance cost, students, example of conformance cost is, I can generally say, we have something called the inspection cost. Okay, yes. Inspection cost, and we have something called appraisal cost. If you see, one thing is, can our products be used directly by the consumers, or you need to have a specialist to develop that product inside your house, especially the heat and ventilator? We need a specialist to come to our house and fix it. So if you see YP burn, they do not have that level of cost. But if you see our product, that is whatever the product that is produced by our company is generally having high level of conformance cost, inspection cost and appraisal cost. And another thing is, since we are developed country as well. But I don't think students, if you observe for YP burn, they are going to that level of what we are doing, because YP burn is a tech-based company, but we are a company which were in the manufacturing support services, which is becoming transformed into a tech-based supporting service for their products. So that's the idea here. So we generally have this conformance cost, all these things together. So this is one basic idea, students, that you need to keep in mind, why our gross profit margin is less. But my concern is, even though, so I'll just write down here, even though the gross profit is less, even though the gross profit is less, still the reputation is very high, because still the reputation is high. So students, that is the thing that matters. And I'll write down here, that is branding. Because students, if you observe this company story, I told you every company's story is only deciding their future. Because if you see most of the companies from KFC to McDonald's, they have their stories. Likewise, here they had the story. What was the story? A plumber developed a product, correct? So from that, it transformed into a public limited company, and now it's one of the largest in the sector. Okay. Now, administration expense. Now, what has happened here, students? Our company's administration expense has reduced compared with our competitor. So, any comments that you all can say? Administration cost has gone down. What do you observe, students? Please, this is like a boardroom. You should be able to share your point of view. Nishant, why do you think the administration cost would have generally reduced?
Sorry, sir, not sure.
Not sure. Anyone? Malit, what do you think? Why do you think the administration cost? Company is more efficient, wrong? Company cannot be more efficient. Company cannot be more efficient. Any other thing, students, you can think why the administration cost is low? Why the administration cost has become a negative? Efficient is not the correct answer. Efficient is not the correct answer. Any other point of view, students? Any other point of view? Use of technology, no. Use of technology, no. Use of technology also, no. I can't say that is a correct answer here. Use of technology is also wrong.
So the matrix that you use for these two products, it's most the resources are the same. Like if you take a distribution and everything, they must be using the same
That comes to the cost of sales, Malik.
cost of sales. Okay.
Less labor also, no. Less labor also, no. I will come to the point of view, Malit. Now, Malit, if you see, our company is slowly transforming into what, Malit? Our company is slowly transforming into smart speaker, if I'm not mistaken. Yes or no, Malit? And
Yes.
if you see the production of heating ventilators are reducing day by day, because what has happened is that market is saturated. So what they are doing is they are reducing the unwanted cost, like they are taking out supervisors. You get what I'm saying? In simple language, there is a redundancy taking place in the company. You get the point of view. Why there's a redundancy taking place in the company? Hereafter, we are no more a manufacturing based only company. Hereafter, we are going to be a hybrid. That means mostly into smart houses. Are you getting that point of view, Malik? Yes or no? So I will write down here, students, shift in the production process. Shift in the production process. Shift in the production process. Shift in the production process from I can specifically say from heat ventilators. Okay. Heat ventilators to smart speakers has minimized the administration function, the administration function. And Malit, if you do not mind, who is the person who is mostly taking care of the administration function? The HR. Can you remember the name of the HR in our organization? Anyone? The name of the HR in our organization? What is the name of our HR? Amrit, can you tell me the name of our HR? Your company HR's name? The name is Patuna Gomesteng Golaf. So shall we write down? So HR, please don't forget the name, students, because that is very important. Petuna. So HR, I can say here Petuna. What should have happened is should have downside. Should have what, students? Should have downside. Should have downsized. Are you clear with what I'm saying there, Malik? Yes or no? Because they would have observed that some of the administration staffs are not relevant at the moment. And I can say here skill transformation. Example, when the skills transformation, there can be automation taking place. What do you think, Malik? Yes or no? because automation can take place, because automation is there in your E2 syllabus, students. So when the automation is taking place, skill transfer automation taking place, job reduction. Are you understanding that point of view, students? Yes or no? Because students, I told you, like in the previous class, the first 3 chapter of the E3 plays a major role. So just keep that in mind, students. That is very much important. Okay, so administration, our company is transforming into digital, and also it's going into automation. So we are slowly reducing the predictable jobs. Selling and marketing cost 7.13 reduction, and here 6.39 reduction. So Malit, what can you say? Why the other company has spent more on selling and marketing, and why we are spending less on selling and marketing? What is the reason?
So since it's saturated, the spend that we used to spend for this trade magazine and everything is now no more as per.
Okay, that's fine. Amrit, what do you think, Amrit? If you don't mind, can you please tell me, what do you think? Why there is a amount like this happening, Amrit? What is your point of view, Amrit? If you don't mind, can you please tell me? Anyone can tell me why the selling and marketing of our company is less and why other companies more? Because you are working in our organization. Correct. Correct. Mustaq has given the correct answer. So the correct answer
Yes.
here is very clear, that we don't have a direct, what students, a direct sales channel. Are you understanding what I'm saying there, students? Yes or no? We do not have a direct sales channel. Absence of digital marketing. Do we have digital marketing, students? Absence of digital marketing. Because students, if you see, why YP-Burn alarms are getting 5-star reviews in online stores, but we are not having absence of presence in online store, because we are very much backward, right, students, in marketing and selling online stores, because we are not there in online stores, especially even our smart speakers are not there. And the worst case is, students, we did the SWOT, so you need to understand over dependence on traditional marketing. Over dependence on what? Over dependence on traditional marketing. Over dependence on traditional marketing. So the traditional marketing, what they are following, where is one word for that? Can someone tell me? There's a one word for that. The marketing that they do. What is that verb for that marketing? What is that? Dominant players in the market not normally need advertising. I don't agree with that. Tech industry, yeah, you need advertising. Tech industry, you may be dominant or not dominant. Advertising is important. Fast changing environment. Amazon can't survive without advertisement. They need to advertise. Very important. Very important. So I can't agree on that. Over dependence of traditional marketing. Malik, what does one word for that? Their current marketing method, there is one verb for that. One verb for that. So can I say that one verb, if you do not mind? The one verb we have is, I can generally say, over dependence on traditional marketing. I can generally say that one verb, that is referral marketing. What is that? Referral marketing. Referral marketing. Referral marketing. Is that fine? Yes or no? Is that fine? Referral marketing. How do they do the referral marketing? Based on whom, students? Based on the construction suppliers and builders. Construction suppliers and builders. Get your understanding of that properly. Now coming to the next one, students, that is the operating profit. Now operating profit, I can specifically say that we are higher because mainly I can justly write down here, operating cost is very high. We have done cost cutting. We have done cost cutting in what, students? If you do not mind, can you tell me? In administration function, we have done cost cutting in administration and marketing function. That clearly shows, students, that there is a cost cutting. That is the reason we have a higher operating profit margin. Now, my question to the class is, do you think that this is correct? My question to the class is, do you think their current process is correct or not correct in the current technological environment? What do you think, Malit? Can they end up as the next Nokia? Can they end up as the next Kodak?
Yes, yes, they could.
High chance. HTC, you would have heard a company called HTC, students. It's no more in the market. Why? They did not promote much. You already know. Once it was a very strong brand, but now HTC, no one even knows it is gone out. That's the risk in the tech sector. So students, we have done cost cutting in administration marketing function. This may not look attractive. This may not look attractive in the long run, attractive in the long run. What do you think, students? Yes or no? Because this may not look attractive in the long run, students, because in case this market, many new players come, inventions take place, your name is not positioned in the mind of the consumer, it will get affected. And again, Coca-Cola spends more and more on marketing, even though they are one of the established brand, because the main reason is marketing is human psychological understanding. You need to understand the human psychology and develop it, students. Okay, now we have done the cost cutting administration. So that's the reason that our operational profits are higher. And the next thing, finance cost is zero. The change in the finance cost is zero, but the other company has repaid. So here I can just specifically mention one thing I observed. At the moment, debt looks cheaper. Debt looks what, students? Cheaper. I feel so. Debt looks cheaper because that's the reason that the gearing also is very less. Gearing is less at the moment. Debt looks very cheaper, students. Debt looks very cheaper and the gearing is less. And if you see, even another thing that you can observe is the borrowing capacity. That means we have very high level of borrowing capacity, both the company. So they are taking the advantage of debt, and one company has repaid their debt as well. So maybe they are going to go for another investment, maybe in the future. But they would have taken money, they are paying back their debt. And again, they may get good credit rating and move forward. So profit before tax, if you see the company, that is YP Burn, is 2.58. But if you see the other company, which is 6.92, my comment, I can say, in the long run, YP Burn can be better than what, students? Our company. What is our company? That is Frinta. The main reason what I can say that our company can be better than Frinta in a very simple understanding is we are not spending too much on the other costs, selling, marketing, distribution, because if you see, this is very, very important. And then students, taxation, even if you see, our company is paying high tax because one reason, the interest, we are not capitalizing because interest effect, because other company has generally taken over the advantages of interest and the other deductible cost. So I'll write down here, a deductible cost has been taken advantage by YP Burn, because they have marketing, they may have entertainment, maybe, we don't know whether that is deductible or not deductible, but still they have done it properly. And again, I can say the same comment here, students, that our company is doing unnecessary cost cutting at the moment, and we are not at all present in the digital environment. So once again, students who are learning, I am telling you E2, the first three chapters you should revise, students, because if you read the first three chapters only, you will be able to understand, because this case study is purely on what, students? Purely on digital transformation. This case study is purely on digital transformation. how a normal company ends up into a digitally transformed business. How a normal company ends up in a digitally transformed business, because it makes high level of impact, because nowadays students, most of the businesses are becoming digitally transformed. The only reason is, I can say, IoT. What is IoT, students? Internet of Things. Remember this, students, every mobile device, every smart device is coming with Wi-Fi. Everything is becoming wireless. Therefore, homes are also nowadays becoming wireless. And day by day, what's going to happen is, students, we will be end up in producing higher level. Higher level of, I can say, higher level of wireless technology in the market. Now, I have one question to the class. In my ratio analysis, I have ignored one stakeholder. Can someone tell me? In my ratio analysis, I have ignored one stakeholder. Can someone tell me, students? I have ignored one stakeholder in my case study. In this case analysis, I have ignored one stakeholder. By any chance, can you remember who is that stakeholder? I'm giving you 30 seconds time. Can you quickly check and see? One person I purposely ignored, but he can play a major role, students. Can you just think and see who is that person that I have ignored? Let's see, people are commenting. Let's see, the answers are coming. No, shareholders, government, IO, don't give me basic answer. You are a finance manager of this company. This is not an MBA examination. This is a professional examination, students. It is Dronco. There is a person called Dronco. Who is Dronco, students? Who is Dronco? Can someone tell me who is Dronco? One person is there in our case study, Dronco. Can someone tell me? You should never forget it. Dronco is whom, students? Dronco is, you should remember him. Dronco is manufacturer of smart electrics, correct? Because Dronco is a smart electrical plug manufacturer. So students, can I just write down here? Dronco. Now, if you see marketing and sales, now Dronco brand compatibility is important. What do you think, students? Yes or no? Compatibility is important. Now, if the compatibility is important, you need to be very much having a close relationship marketing with these people, students. Dronco, don't forget it. The classic example I can generally say is, students, petrol and diesel. Now, if you see petrol and diesel, what happens? It is compatible with certain products. So some oils will not work. They have designed the ecosystem like that. So Dronco's product plays a major role, because smart devices are controlled by voice command. So if you need to have I can say, a smart switch in your house, that is produced by Dronco. So still remember, students, Dronco can come into a picture of merger or an acquisition. So just remember that, or an associate investment. The financial reporting can come through the Dronco brand. So students, any questions you have in the growth analysis, you can ask me. If you are fine with the growth analysis, can I please get Y in the chat box, students? If you are fine with the growth analysis, can I please get Y in the chat box? Thank you very much. But just remember, students, Dronco is playing a major role in our case. So you need to remember that. So coming to the next area, the ratio analysis. Earlier, we just observed the change analysis. Now coming to the ratio. Now, if you see the ratio, Amrit, I have a question to you. Amrit, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, I am here.
So Amrit, my question to you is, you said we are a premium product, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, sir.
But our premium brand is going almost equivalent with the YP brand's GP margin, right? Because premium brands generally have a higher GP margin. What do you think?
Correct, sir. Margin is greater.
Yeah, my question is now, if it is a premium brand, Frinta should be greater than YP brand. Correct? No, Amrit, practically speaking. iPhone is almost high gross profit than Android devices. Now, my question is to Malit. Malit, why do you think there is a almost equivalent of YP burn is greater than us? What is the reason? Any rational point of view, Malik?
Based on the number of units.
No, not a finance manager's response. I will ask, product mix is wrong, Mustaq. It's not the correct answer. Product mix is a wrong answer, Mustaq. I will ask it from Nishant. Nishant, why do you think, Nishant? Product mix is a wrong. Students' thinking is important in case study examination. Product mix is a wrong answer, students. 100% wrong answer. That's a general answer. Anyone? Students, I'm giving you 10 seconds. Please think, students. You can use the chat box if you have a problem in your mic. Students, I'll come to the point. So the point is YP burn is what, students? YP burn in simple language. YP burn is, don't forget this, students. This is one important point. YP burn has first, can someone complete it? Has what, students? Has first
mover advantage.
first mover advantage. Now, when you have first mover advantage, hereafter your reputation, does it matters or does not matters? Like what happened to Nokia? Nokia was a very strong brand like Frinta. But what happened? Apple came, first move advantage on touch technology. Suddenly what happened? Nokia went out, right? Amrit, what do you think? That great giant Nokia went out because of this first move advantage. Do you agree with me? Yes or no, Amrit? Yeah. So I'm coming to the next point for your understanding. Now, YP burn has the first move advantage. So anyway, the problem with us is lack of innovation. What do you think, Amrita? Lack of innovation, just replication, because we are just replicating. Lack of innovation, just replication. Now, if you see iPhone, what's happening now? Nishant, what's happening to the iPhone? iPhone 12, 13, do you find a huge differentiation or just a replication?
Just this particular model seems to be a bit of a replication with few tweaks to the.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. So what's happened is with Frinta is same thing. They are just bringing products with replication with small features.
But in terms of, sorry to intrude, in terms of heating, we discussed in the last class that they were highly innovative in terms of the heating part.
But
Yeah.
now the country is developed, because if you see our company is established 50 years. Now, if you see a developed country 50 years before and 50 years now, I think the country is developed. When the country is developed, they move on to digital, if I'm not mistaken, Nishant. You get what I'm saying? Because
Sure.
if you see the cement brick construction, all will come to the developing countries where they need to put the road construction. When the road maintenance all are done, construction all are done, its next stage is artificial intelligence. That's how it's going to work. Amrit, are you getting the point of view? Yes or no, Amrit? Amrit, if you see the roads in the Delhi doesn't need much infrastructure. Correct, no, Amrit?
Right.
The roads
Right.
in the other places in UP, they definitely need, right? What do you think, Amrit? Yes or no?
Yes,
Because
sir.
Delhi is anyway developed. Now, if you see this country, our country is a developed country, but in the developed country, we were rich because there was a time where they needed heating and ventilators. But now the problem is technology. People all has built houses. People all are settled. They want, the next thing is we want our lifestyle to improve. So lack of innovation and just replication. The next thing I can say is, just to put that point of what Nishant was telling, the country has been developed at the moment. Therefore, the construction sector is at maturity. That is clear, no, students? It's at maturity. Chitra, are you there? Can you talk, Chaitra?
Yeah.
Chaitra, you're from Mumbai, right? If I'm not mistaken.
No, I'm from Bangalore.
Okay, so Chaitra, if you see in Bangalore, again, it's almost developed, right, Chaitra? Nothing more, right? To construct, everything is tight, right? If you see, So now Bangalore is a classic example of this city, because Bangalore 20 years ago was a different Bangalore, correct, no, Chaitra? And now the Bangalore is a developed Bangalore. And if you see, Chaitra, in the developed Bangalore, smart technology is coming, right? Mangala, everything is completely smart, right? If I'm not mistaken, Chaitra, they are not
Yes.
going into the old model. Every house has a geyser, correct, no, Chaitra? But there was a time that heating technology was essential. But you see now it's a normal product. Correct me if I'm wrong, Chaitra. You get that picture here. So
Yes.
the main problem is we were an innovator, but no more we are an innovator. Just get that understanding. And YP Burn is only selling smart technology, and we are selling both of them. Let's come to that comparison now in the revenues. So students, just for your understanding, now our revenue, if you see, our revenue of Frinta is 771, 820. Okay, 771, 820. Look at the revenue of YP Burn. 1114, 1172. Only selling what? Smart technology. So can we come into a conclusion, Nishant, that this country is developed? What do you think, Nishant? Yes or no?
Sure, sir. Yes. Yes.
Makes sense, students. Makes sense. And even Chitra, I think it makes sense, right? You can clearly observe it, right, Chaitra? A company only selling one product is making more sales, and a company which is a 50-year-old company is not making much sales. What do you think, Chaitra? Yes or no?
Yes.
So students get that point of view very clearly. This is very much financial analysis, very, very important. So one reason is we have that name, but our name is now required only by a very few people, because just get that understanding of the revenue segments. Develop high standard of living, correct, Nishant? So high standard of living means lifestyle, right, Nishant? What do you think? So next level lifestyle, that means smart technology, high standard of living. So that's how it goes out. So coming to the next one, operating profit margin. Now students, if you see operating profit margin percentage wise, if we do the calculation, operating profit divided by the sales, what's going to happen is YP Burn is doing better than us at the moment, I will tell you one thing, students. The problem with us is 2 factories. How many factories we have, students? 2 factories, one dedicated for, I can say, heating and ventilator controllers. Just remember that, students. One is dedicated for heating and ventilator controllers, just for your understanding. And the other one is what, students? Other one is specifically for what, students? Specifically for smart speaker. So if you see, students, basic understanding is we are going too much because we have money. That's not an issue, because we are old company, generally have money. But the problem is the other player who just started is doing better than us at the moment. That is the understanding for your point of view. A profit for the year margin, again, students, we have done a lot of cost cutting. If you see, but still it's only 19.81. So can I just write down here, students? Can I just write down here? This is very important. I told you, although we have done cost cutting, still we are lagging backwards. Get that understanding, students. Now I will give you a point of view, because Seema will definitely like this, because it's a management course. The father of management. Who is the father of management, students? Chaitra, who is the father of management? Peter Drucker. So Peter Drucker has clearly mentioned only 2 things. The 2 things he has mentioned is innovation and marketing. These 2 are important for any business, students. Only these 2, innovation and marketing. Apple, basic understanding, innovation, marketing. That's it. Coca-Cola, marketing. These two variables are important. If these 2 variables are going out, the company will go down. Practical example, Nokia, no innovation, no marketing, out. Now if you say this company, no innovation, replication, and no marketing at all in the current latest arena, so we are in a bad signal. We are in a bad signal because definitely digital marketing may come in your examination. Just remember that, students, digital marketing, search engine optimization, and then we may have data analytics, business intelligence. All these technological areas will definitely come into your business question. So just keep that in mind, students. This is very, very important. Innovation and marketing, we are not at all bothered, but the other person is doing better than us. Students, profitability ratios wise is done. The ROC, if you see, our ROC is less compared to them. So this clearly says one thing, because their ROC looks better than us. So I need to mention that one clear identification here is the market has become stagnant for I can specifically say for heating and ventilators. Nishant, one question to you, practical question. Nishant, by any chance, did you get to know Toyota has stopped their production?
Globally, didn't know that, sir.
No. Amrit, did you observe that in India, most of the car companies are closing down?
Yes, sir.
Chaitra, did you get that note? Most of the car companies are closing down because car
I
has...
work for Toyota.
Correct. Now, if you see, every company is closing down because the market is stagnant. So they need to enhance it by giving technology. So the basic idea is the market has become stagnant for heating and ventilator. Therefore, the smart connections are playing major role. And again, another question, students, just a basic idea. Developed countries think about. Now, in developed country, students, nowadays, do they have the idea of prestige, or they want performance? Prestige or performance? I can say it's performance, not the prestige. So one thing has happened is compatibility, because if you see, earlier they took the products of our company, that is Frinta, because of prestige plus performance. But now the thing is, substitutes are coming into the market, which is also can be controlled by smart devices. Get that point of view. Coming to the next one, ROI clearly shows that our ROI is falling down compared with the other company. One thing, students, dividends has been paid by both the company equal proportion. That's what I'm not commenting on dividend at the moment, but just get the understanding here, students. The ROI is also going down. The main reason, I can say the main reason, lack of innovation, marketing and expansion, because we are only established in a developed country. Did we go to a developing nation? Have we ever tapped a developing nation? So my concern is there can be an international expansion. IAS 21 can come, foreign currency translation. Just keep in mind, students, because the main idea here is when you go abroad, there is high chances, students, that your company can do very, very well, because in the abroad it is on a developing stage. Example, if you see IKEA, Chaitra, IKEA came to India because if you see the Western market is already stagnant, right? You get what I'm saying?
Yes.
Chaitra. And if you see, all the global brands are coming to India because India is the market which is having the highest growth potential. But if you see the rest of the developed world, already they are grown, already they are developed. So they are in a state of, I can say, a matured level of saturation. They are not going up or down, they are just maintained. And now coming to the asset turnover, here comes the bigger problem. Now, asset turnover, how I calculated, I will just write down so that students who are listening will find it easy. Asset turnover is sales divided by, I'm going to say here, capital employed. I did not take non-current asset, I took capital employed. That is, students, the total equity plus non-current liability. Total equity plus non-current liability, that is loan, I think. So students, in this case, just understand capital employed only we need to say, because it's the cash contribution. Because why did we don't take asset contribution is asset is subjected to depreciation. So when the asset is depreciated, it may give you false identity, but equity will not get depreciated because market price is always up to date. Loan will not get depreciated because it's a financial liability which you need to settle. So that is the reason, instead of using asset, nowadays people prefer using capital employed. That's the idea. So you get that point, Malit?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So students, if you see here, capital employed of our competitor is 1. That means 100% utilization, 95, all 0.95, almost it's to 1, I can say. Almost it's operating at full capacity. But if you see, we have 2 factories and it is operating at half capacity, students. So we have excess capacity. So students, the thing is, we are big. We became suddenly big, and suddenly there was a digital disruption taking place. An example, Chaitra, now if you see, there was transport business, no, Chaitra, long time ago, transport business was a major business. When Uber, Ola came, that got disrupted. What do you think, Chaitra? Yes or no?
Yes.
So their asset base are useless when technology comes into the picture. Example, Chaitra, in case if people become digitally literate and finding it easy to learn, universities, colleges may slowly lose their share to the international market of online classes. You get what I'm saying, Chaitra? There will be a shift. So digital disruption. So I'll write down here, the first term is digital disruption. So students, if you don't mind, digital disruption is very important. Bitcoin, digital disruption. It was a disruption that was created in the market. Cashless transaction. If you see this Paytm, FreeMe, everything, they are cashless transaction, digital disruption taking place. Amazon Kindle, it is disrupting the paper book industry. It is going into the other sector. What about the online stores? It is affecting the physical stores. Digital disruption. So one thing I can specifically say, two factories are underutilized, because students, developed country, underutilized because the country is developed, and has okay, country is developed and has a high standard of living, so anyway, they are no more into capex, they are mostly now into maintenance, because already capital expenses are no more, it has become less. And the smart technology is taking the city. Smart technology is taking over the city. Technology is taking over the city, is taking over the city or the country. So what has happened is, I can say, YP burn is efficient. YP burn is efficient. And the potential area, students, that you should be little bit aware about is the transfer pricing, because when you have excess capacity, transfer pricing can be taken into consideration. Chaitra, are you fine with that?
Yes.
Thank you. So coming to the next one, students, that is the current ratio and the quick ratio. Frankly speaking, current ratio, quick ratio, there is no problems at all. The main reason is we are cashly, we have lot of strength. But if you see the quick ratio of other company, it is 0.95. The main reason it is 0.95 is it is operating at full capacity. So I will write down here, current ratio looks safe. Current ratio looks safe for both the entities. There is nothing to worry with that, because anyway, students, smart technologies, there is a demand, people buy those items, so current inventories are very much, I can say, secure. But coming to the quick ratio, students, the problem is the quick ratio, the problem is very problematic. The problem here we have is YP burn is operating at full capacity, Look at the revenue base they have. That itself clearly shows they are going at a full capacity, students. And YP burn has become a sensation in the market because I'm telling you, you must read the last pages in the pre-seen material, because customer feedback plays a major role. If the customer feedback is poor, then the company may not grow or evolve. Get that understanding. And the next one is gearing. So if you observe the gearing ratios 10.7, 10.9, 13.38, and 18.9. So I can say in this case, gearing wise, at the moment, no issue. At the moment, no issue. But there can be situation where the company can have an evaluation. This is a very important examination question. Evaluation on WACC. What is WACC, students? Chaitra, what is WACC? Amrit, what is WACC? Malit, what is WACC?
Weighted average cost of capital.
Weighted average cost of capital. So students, weighted average cost of capital is a sure question in the examination. Just keep that in mind. Very much important for your understanding and the application point of view. So coming to the next one, students, that is the interest coverage. So if you see the interest coverage is 19.53 times and 18.34 times, and the other one is 36 and 26 times. So interest cover wise, I can say both companies are fine. Both companies are fine because they can pay. 10x is the major rule. If you can pay the interest 10 times more than what you borrow, that means your company is a safer company. Both companies are fine, nothing to worry. And inventory days, I have a question. Now, inventory days, I have a question. Now, we have two types of categories. No? But if you see other company, YP band, they have only one, no? Speakers. So speakers, once in a month, it will go. Correct? No? If you have a small shop, once in a month, one speaker can be sold. But my question is, heating and ventilators, do you sell once in a month? That is my next question. Malit, do you think heating ventilators, do you sell once in a month?
No, sir. No.
No, right? It will be
No.
somewhere around once in 3 months, like that. My question is, if it is once in a month, there is a situation of consignment stocks. Because observe it very carefully. I'll tell you why. Now, inventory days is 28, reserve days is 39. So total cash tied up is how many days, students? Cash is tied up for the following. Please observe it, because inventory is having your money component, because inventory, if you sell, you get money. So inventory has money. Receivable is also a money that is tied up, because you need to collect money. So if you observe here, what I can specifically say here, the cash tied is almost 2 months, 2 months. So now I can feel this looks a little bit finer. And can you remember, Malik, we were discussing about the product bundling. Can you remember, Malik?
Yes.
That means you sell the heating ventilator with the smart speaker also together, so that the voice commands can be communicated to the vent. Example, you can say increase the heat. Then what happens? The heat increases. Reduce the heat. So reduces. Vox, they say Vox. Frinta, that's the name they given. So just remember that, students. So I can now say this is realistic. Cash tied up for 67 days. So one thing I can say is consignment sales. Chaitra, can you tell me what is consignment sales in your understanding, Chaitra? Consignment sales. Amrit, consignment sales in your understanding. Nishant, consignment sales in your understanding, please. Sale of goods and services. Oh, sorry, sale of goods on a return basis. So students, there is an area called IFRS 15. Revenue contracts. Just remember that, students. It is already there in the IFRS studio. You can just watch that as well. But just remember, students, this is very important, because they are doing on a consignment basis. So there will be situations of doubt. Exports all are there, because we don't know how the exports are done. Maliti, do you think export you will be like this, or it will be more delay? What do you think, Malik?
More
Export,
delay.
more delay, right? So can I write down a question mark? Export information is not at all given. So I'll write down here exports, 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 exports and question mark, because exports are generally speaking, students, it will take a lot of time, right, students? LC, letter of credit, all those things you need to issue. Now coming to the picture, now I will ask one question, technical question. Payables are coming in 35 days. Your cash is tied up for 67 days. So working capital cycle 32 days means in here that you are not having cash, not having cash, not having cash, not having cash for 32 days, not having cash for 32 days. That means you are delaying the fee, delaying the cash period even more, even more. So my question here, Malik, what do you think here at the moment? What do you think here, Malik? How are they managing to do? Because both the companies are managing to delay more than the time that they are expected to pay. So what do you think, Malik? What is your basic idea behind that? I'll ask from Nishant, how can they manage like this, a business? Chaitra, how can they manage a business like this? Because technically, if you see, yes, please.
Sorry, they're working on a credit period of.
No, the
No,
thing is,
sorry.
credit period is 35 days. Above the credit period, you are still delaying another 32 days. One and one. Yes.
Short-term borrowings? I'm not sure.
No. Short-term borrowings, no. If you borrow short-term borrowing, it will be a big issue. Then you will be settling that. So there comes the question. Target customer cash flow, no. I'll come to the system here. This is known as a business ecosystem. What is that? Business ecosystem. Business ecosystem means we say as joint orchestration between the players. Now if you see classic example, Nishant, what happened to the rice industry? Orchestration, right? All the rice producers got together and they told this is the price. You get what I'm saying, Nishant? This is the price. So here one good thing I can say is this industry is having a healthy competition, because you see in the pre-scene also they are saying they are not directly competing with each other in a price war. You get what I'm saying, Nishant? Because when
Yes.
the price war come only, it will end up as a shark tank. It will be bleeding. It will become a red ocean, blood. But currently it is a blue ocean, very clean market. And they are doing it very strong and stable because doing it. I'll tell you a basic example, Nishant. Kiehl's, Cargill's, Apico, these supermarket chains in Sri Lanka, Laughs, they all are united. If you have anyone of your friends who has supplied there, you ask and see, they delay the money more than what they ask for. You get what I'm saying, no, Nishant? So that is business ecosystem. So orchestration is the main reason these two are surviving in the market. Are you clear with that, Nishant? Yes or no?
It's quite clear.
Thank you. So the EPS is 19.80. I took the total profit divided by number of shares, 19.90, then 0.378, 0.369, because anyway our company profits are higher. But if you see DPS, dividend per share, if you see, I have taken the total dividend divided by number of shares. I'll teach you all. But if you see the dividend cover 1.24, 1.24, both are managing the same thing. Because one thing, students, both are listed entities. Both the companies are listed entities, and both the companies are flotation-wise listed entities. Example, we have not at all understood whether do we have institutional investors, do we have individual powerful investors, do we have venture capitalists. So since we do not have enough information, students, we need to assume that currently both the companies are managing the stock market, their prices by satisfying the market condition. Because one company pays more dividend, the other company pay less dividend, what happens is share price will go down in one company, and shareholders will quickly shift from that company and move to the other company. That generally takes place when the flotation is happening. Just a basic idea. Don't think too much on that, just a point of view only. So overall, if you see the ratio analysis, our ratios, if you see, comparing to our competitors, we are not good, because we were a good company, but now we have become the second mover in the market. So I can say potential pre-seen case study can come, potential questions in the exams. Just my observation, even you would have felt that one potential question they can say is innovation. There can be an innovation, 100% chance. And the other one is there can be an acquisition of a startup. Can that be taking place? Yes or no? Can they buy a startup company? Of course, there is high chance, like Facebook bought Byju's. So there can be a small acquisition of a startup. Example, WhatsApp was taken by Facebook. Instagram was taken over by Facebook. So potential acquisition innovation can take place, students. Just get the understanding there. There can be a merger. There can be a merger between these two people. So that is also there. And there can be a discontinuation of operations. Can there be a discontinuation of operations, students? Because if you see the current ventilators and the current, I can say the ventilators, and I can specifically mention the heat controllers can become outdated. Even in outdated means substitutes are available, and the requirement has become less because the market is stagnant. So that will become an issue, this kind of operations. So just get these points. So innovation will be a definite question. That's what I told you. Again, I'm repeating E2. E2, please revise chapter 1, 2, 3. E2 chapter 1, 2, 3 must be revised, must be revised for your understanding. So coming to the next one, students, the segmental analysis for your understanding. So if you observe the segmental analysis they have given, I have broken that into the following. So we have got the segmental analysis for heating, ventilators, and the smart speakers. So children, if you observe this carefully, smart speakers revenue percentage is growing. Nishant, do you observe that? From 2019 to 2020, smart devices are growing faster than, I can say, this heating item. Nishant, can I ask you one classic question? In Sri Lanka, kitchen items are growing now, or tech items are growing?
Tech items are growing.
Because every house has a kitchen, right? If I'm not mistaken, Nishant, to produce a decent food. What do you think, Nishant? Yes or no? Every house has, right? If you see rich or poor, every house has. But now if you see smart technology, people are upgrading themselves. Example, smart watches. After that, I can say earbuds. All these things are new developments that is taking place, students. So smart is the new thing that is coming. And if you see the heating ventilator is going down, so this we say as hedging also. We say as hedging. When one is going down, the other one you are bringing it up to just secure the market. iPod, Nishant, you may be aware about iPod, right? The music app, the music device, iPod. Now iPod is no more in Apple, if I'm not mistaken, because they realized it, that the shares are reducing because new developments are coming. Because there was a time in 2005 to 2007 having an iPod and listening in that is a big thing. But now, if you see having an iPod, people will ask, what is that? It has become like a floppy disk. No one knows that also, because a mobile phone is having all the data, and especially Spotify has come into the picture. So get this point of view, students. And the next one is revenue growth. If you see the revenue growth, students, what I can specifically say, the heating and ventilator revenue growth is reducing, it's minus, and smart speaker of our company revenue growth is high. So we are next is smart, but being the second mover, still we have a highest revenue. So I can say, can I say customer loyalty? What do you think, Nishant? Yes or no? Customer loyalty. Because of that, they are buying our products. Maybe, right? Because some people have a small misconception. They don't mix the products in house. If you see a house, if they have an LG fridge, their washing machine also will be LG. You get what I'm saying? So there is something called a tradition of loyalty. You see that Whirlpool, all these Indian commercials, if you see, Chaitra, they connect the products to the lifestyle. Have you observed that, Chaitra? Yes or no? Example, Videocon did that. So many products are like that. Prestige cooking items are getting close, induction cookers like that. So here, customer loyalty, they are somewhat managing. That's the only thing they have. And the customers who are traditional, who don't use much technology, they find it's fine to go with our own brand of this. That's a good point of view. So coming to the operating profit percentages, students, percentage, not margin, percentages. So students, if you observe operating profit as a percentage of the total, if you see the heating ventilators are again reducing from 66, it is going down. Smart speakers are growing. There's a growth in that. So students, that's what you can observe. Even if you see operating profit, the heaters are going down, smart speakers are going up. So there is a mismatch coming here. And the last one, students, that is, I calculated the operating profit margin. And if you see operating profit margin, the heating and ventilators is still having the highest margin. I will tell you why. Like Amrit was telling, brand, still they have the highest price for the brand. But smart speakers, they are competing with home, students. They are competing with YP brand. So they are going with this 19.76. But the only thing is, this will be only a successful product if they bundle this. They create a bundle. That means heating and ventilator comes with this. So that is the only risk they can take it down. Other than that, students, there is no other factors to be thought. So are you getting the understanding here? Yes or no, Nishant?
Sure, sir. So on the example you gave regarding iPhones, Apple, remember they came up with the AirPods, which like they forward integrated, or I'm not sure backward integrated, but that became a business on its own. Similarly, like now the heating and ventilators and smart speakers, I don't know, like in terms of your example of bundling, whether they can forward integrate or backward integrate in terms of heating and ventilators.
What they can do is, instead of forward integrate, they can make it as a collaboration, like the TV and the remote.
Yeah.
So that is the point of view here. Because if you see why they developed this product, the main reason for the development is they wanted to preserve their brand. They don't want a third party coming with a voice command and affecting their remote controllers. Are you getting what I'm saying, Nishant?
Yeah.
So this is a centralized controlling system. So if voice commands can control their own system, later on, customers won't see any differences. You get the point. So that was the major thing. And like you said, that's the idea. And even if you see the classical idea is, Nishant, if you see the Apple Pencil, if you observe the Apple Pencil, why they developed an Apple Pencil? Only one reason. They want to make their customers stuck with them. You get the point what I'm saying, Nishant? Right. Because if you see, the rest of the players have given the complete autonomy for others to develop stylus. But only for Apple, you need to have an Apple Pencil, and they have structured it like you need to connect it in the bottom and install it, and then only you will be able to write it. Correct, no, Nishant, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So get the point of view properly. So that first 3 chapters, I will definitely do in detail of E2, because it's very, very essential in detail. But if you can read by your own and create your own visuals, it will be more and more grateful. So one thing I wanted to do now is I just want to show you this. So this is the dividends they have paid, 214.3. And students, this is the dashboards that I have summarized it. And also coming down here, students, if you come down here, what you can see is even Frinta, they have paid a higher dividend. So the dividends are highly paid just to manage the stakeholders, shareholders, and the WACC calculation can come, cost of equity, cost of debt. Little be careful with those areas. It will be really advisable if you can revise those areas and make your strength very strong at the moment. So students, any questions you have for the day, you can ask me. So I'll go with the one-to-one session. So I'll start with Nishant. Any questions, Nishant?
No, sir. Thank you.
Ahmad, any questions? If you are unable to talk, you can use the mic.
No, sir. Thanks.
Thank you. Amrit, any questions?
Sir, I don't understand the WACC.
WACC. Okay. WACC I will teach you later. because that's a technical area. Ansfro, any questions?
No, sir.
Chaitra, any questions?
No, sir.
Ibrahim, any questions? Ivo, any questions? Jude, any questions?
I'm good, sir. Thanks. Yeah.
Malit, any questions?
No, sir. Clear.
Mustaq, any questions? Fani, any questions? Ravi Kumar, any questions? Vasandan, any questions?
No, sir. Thank you.
So students, thank you very much. So I will meet you on the next class on Saturday morning. We are doing a strategy canvas on Saturday morning. So please be present. Thank you very much, everyone. You can leave.
Thanks, sir. Good night.
Good night.
Thanks. Good night.
Good night.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Good night. Good night.